In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts who hard bounce on a marketing email in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your marketing email. Click on marketing and click on email right here. Now, once you have clicked on that, it should be able to open right here all of your emails available. So for this case, click onto the sent email that we have right here. Once you click on that, you can see all the emails that you have sent so far. So if you have it, you can just proceed to click onto the email that has been sent. Once you have clicked onto that email, you can head over and then go to the recipients tab for this case. Click on recipients. And you can see right here the option for hard bounce or this bounce option. You can just click on that and then remove all the contacts that have hard bounce so far. You can click on actions for this case and then delete those. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.